Hey Dekoni fans! Today, we want to show you how to install your earpads for the Philips SHP9500s. First, gently pull the pad away from the mounting clips. The next step is to grab your Earpadz by Dekoni Audio. Each pad is marked by an L for left and an R for right. Choose the corresponding pad and line the earpad up. Firmly press the pad against the clips. Make sure to push all around the edges to confirm a good fit. Repeat this process once more for the other side. Pretty easy, right? Now, with sense and simplicity, you can enjoy your new Earpadz by Dekoni Audio for your Philips SHP9500s.